We're here at Artesian Park. So Artesian Park is actually one of my favorite places in downtown Corpus Christi. It's the oldest piece of public property in the city, and a lot of people don't know that a lot of our state's history and definitely our community's history started right here in this location.
Right, well, wasn't Artesian Park like the town square back in the early to mid 1900s?
Absolutely, a lot of our community's history and a lot of civil discourse occurred right here in this park.
It's amazing. We need to bring that back, Alyssa.
Yeah.
And I say we bring it back by calling it the Plaza at Artesian Park.
I like that.
And we bring back some history.
Yeah.
Now that said, I think we could build on this and have more events and things for people to do, for children to come and just add to the park.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I love it. I love it. We finished this first phase of improvements with the support of the TERS, the Downtown Reinvestment Zone, the Port, and Vistopena, Texas.
Right.
And I think that our next goal, we have this beautiful landscaping. You see it getting fixed up, staying on top of that. But adding that activity, like you're talking about, maybe some sort of outdoor games, would be a really great next step. Well, it looks like Eric and the Clean Team are working on some of that landscaping that we installed recently. You want to go say hey?
Let's go check them out.
All right.
Thanks, Juan. Thanks, Michael.
Hey, Eric.
Hi.
Hey, Eric.
How you doing?
are you?
I'm doing really good. Well, welcome to Artesian Park.
Thank you.
Spring is in full effect now.
It is.
Everything looks so good. So Eric, I was telling the mayor about how our organization really focuses on keeping downtown clean, safe, and beautiful. We made a lot of improvements recently, including adding the landscaping here in Artesian Park and on Chaparral Street. You guys maintain all of those beautiful planters, put up those beautiful banners, Mayor, so we're really working on making downtown really beautiful. What are some other things that you think it's important that we share about what we do downtown?
So it's keeping a pulse on what's going on in downtown area is very critical right now. And the only way you're able to do that is to be in the district 7 days a week, which we are Monday through Sunday from that too. So we spend 320 hours in the district. That's split between 8 individuals, 40 hours a week from that too. And we're able to service the district.
Well, it shows. It shows. It looks wonderful. It looks so clean.
DMD has adopted, Artesian, Retama, the Bluff Park as well, and all that. We actually continued our partnership with the Buck Days Kings and Queen scholarship recipients. They came out last week and excavated it. There's 25 volunteers. They spent 2 hours in the park.
Everything looks great. I'm so impressed.
Thank you.
And I love the park.
I really have an amazing team right now from that, and they're doing great work from that too. And, well, let us know when you're in the district. We're here, and let us know if you need anything.
Thank you. Thank you, Eric.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Good to see you, Eric.
All right, you too.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
Okay.